Today in this video I am going to share how to get rid of pimples and acne. Pimples appears when your skin oil glands are overactive and pores become inflamed. Pimples mostly affects face and shoulders. This is because there are many sebaceous glands in these areas of skin. Pimples and bumps heal slowly when one begins to go away, others seem to crop. To make this pack you will need neem leaves,
Storybox Audio,
tulsi leaves, gram flour, multani mitti, red sandalwood powder,
Storybox Audio,
rose water, aloe vera gel. Grind neem leaves into a paste. The antioxidants in neem are beneficial for reducing melanin production in your skin.
Storybox
Neem
Audio,
leaves moisturizes the face and makes skin soft. Neem prevents signs of aging and reduce wrinkles. Neem has its anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces pimples and acne scars. Neem powder is also beneficial for triggering the immune system.
Storybox Audio,
Grind tulsi leaves into a paste. Tulsi cleanses pores on your skin. Tulsi removes excess oil on your face and acts as a herbal toner. Tulsi contains anti-inflammatory, antibacterial,
Storybox
fungal
Audio,
properties. It helps to reduce active pimples and acne scars. In a bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of neem paste, 1 teaspoon of tulsi paste, half teaspoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of red sandalwood powder and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Aloe vera gel has its anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces pimples. Sandalwood powder removes pigmentation and treats acne-prone skin. Apply all over the face and neck.
Storybox Audio,
Leave it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your face with water. Use thrice a week. Like, share, subscribe.